Hey guys, today I will talk about crude oil, about the US oil, about a new long opportunity because in the during the weekend, in the previous days, I've talked about a potential new bullish pattern, about a flag pattern, about a down channel. So right now the price escaped from this pattern. So yeah, I'm looking for potential new longs here on crude oil, on US oil, because if you remember, I was long on crude oil, on US oil in the previous week. I've took some profits, and yeah, right now I want to go back and to take a new long position in US oil, in crude oil. Read disclaimer, please read it, it's important. Also, don't forget that you can contact us only if you use this email. Yeah, via this you can communicate with us only if you send an email to support. Actually, Learn to Trade team will never contact you directly on Telegram or on email or something, or by phone. So you have to be careful out there because there are a lot of scamming groups, scammers. So US oil. Okay, I've talked about the medium line here as a potential dynamic support. I've talked about this down channel. Okay, and here you can see that the US oil found support on 85.35, 85.72, strong rally, and right now accumulation. It could try to right now, yeah, it has dropped it below the weekly pivot point, but it could try in the short term to retest the medium line of the ascending pitchfork before jumping higher, before developing a new upside movement. Because if it stays above the medium line, it could try to come back at least towards the former highs, 92.92 key level, historical level 93.51, historical level as well, key level. So yeah, I'm looking for potential longs, and I'll wait to see if the price will reach and retest here the medium line, and if it makes false breakdowns, test retest, false breakdowns with great separation, could bring us maybe a long opportunity from around the medium line. But you also you have to be careful because the price could also drop and stabilize below the medium line. Okay, and that's why I'm waiting for false breakdowns here. I'll wait to see how it will react here, or I will look for potential longs after maybe the price will retest here, and after it will make a new higher high. Okay, I will share my trade in the VIP group, but I really wanted to talk about the US oil today because let's take a look here. Okay, after escaping from this major falling wedge pattern, leg higher. Okay, strong leg higher, a temporary drop, retreat, strong retreat and correction maybe was natural. Okay, so that's why personally I'm still looking for potential longs. We have strong resistance here, 92.92, 93.51, but if it stays above the medium line, to retest it, to move sideways, to accumulate more bullish energy, to attract more buyers here, it could still try to develop a new leg higher, a new swing higher. Okay, thank you guys. Also, don't forget, guys, that the US retail sales later today could bring high volatility and sharp movements also on US oil. But yeah, probably I will go live during or before and during the retail sales data. Also, we'll have later in the US, actually in the US session, we'll have the prelim University of Michigan consumer sentiment as a high impact event as well. But the retail sales will have an impact. And in the short term, please take a look here. Crude oil inventories yesterday. This indicator was released yesterday, and yeah, it was reported deep in the positive territory. Okay, which could be bad for the price of oil. Okay, in the short term, yeah, and maybe this is the reason why US oil yeah, retreated right now again. Let's take a look. Actually, one moment. So yeah, after After the crude oil inventories, you can see that the price moved sideways, and right now it has dropped it. But yeah, as I've said, this was negative for the price of oil, and for the price of oil. But yeah, as long as it is above the medium line, personally I will still look for potential longs. Thank you guys. Don't forget to read the disclaimer, and Instagram, follow us. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn to Trade, our website, Learn to Trade Forex Signals if you want to become a VIP member, or you can access the links posted below this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.